Hello everyone, I am Nand Kishore Yadav from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today, we are going to discuss an important application of stack data structure, which is transformation of infix expression to a postfix expression. So, let me introduce the algorithm for the transformation of this expression. So, as per the first step, we have to push our left parenthesis onto the stack and add a right parenthesis at end of the expression q. So we have taken an expression q here, and as per the algorithm, firstly, we have to add a right parenthesis at end of the expression. Okay. Now, it says that we have to push a left parenthesis onto the stack. So suppose we have taken a stack here. Now, so this is scan symbols. Symbol, and this is for stack, and this is expression p, postfix expression. This is postfix expression p. Now we are using three columns in this table for transformation of infix to postfix expression. As per the algorithm, firstly, what we do, firstly we push a right parenthesis onto the stack. Here stack is empty now. As per the algorithm, we have to push a symbol at top of the stack. In the first step, we have to scan symbol from left to right. So here, this one from left to right. So let me count the total number of symbol here. This is first symbol, this is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11, and last one is 12. So number of 12 symbol here. So we have to perform this algorithm in 12 steps. So in the first step, we have added a left parenthesis on top of the stack. Then we have to scan symbol from left to right. First symbol is A. This is an operand. So if operand is encountered, then add to the P. So question is P. We have to add it. We have added A to expression P. The second step, next symbol is plus. So if operator is encountered, so it says that if operator is encountered, then and before there is no operator, then we can simply add the operator onto the stack. Again, next position is at top of the stack is plus. Now there is expression A. Now in third is a left parenthesis. So it says if the left parenthesis is simply encountered, then again we have added to the stack. So expression is no change. Now in the fourth step, we again have an operand. So if operand is encountered, then we have to add it to the expression. Now there is two symbols in the expression A comma. Now fifth step is, in the fifth step we have to scan multiply. Then this is again an operand. Then plus C, and this is an operand A comma. Now in the next step we are having an operand C. So here it is an operand. So again we have added to the expression. So in the expression we are having ABES. Now seventh symbol is minus symbol. Now here we can see that as per the algorithm using step number this one, fifth step, so repeat pop from stack and add P to each operator. कब कब करना है? What when we have to do it? Which has same precedence or higher precedence on the top of the stack. If there are already a symbol of higher precedence, then and we are scanning a operator of low precedence, then what we do, we have to repeatedly pop this symbol, and add it to the expression P. So here what we do, we have to just add star to the expression, and the scanning symbol we have to push onto the stack using step number 5A. Now, next symbol is D. So this is an operand. Operand is encountered, then again after copying this, we have to add this onto the stack. So stack is A, B, C, star, and D. So this is the expression now. Now in the ninth one, we are scanning a right parenthesis. So it says if the right parenthesis is encountered, then we have to pop the stack until the left parenthesis not. So as per the algorithm, what we do, we have to pop this symbol minus, again add to the expression. This is D and this is minus. And now we are having only plus onto the stack, and this left and right is cancelled out. Now in 10th, we can see this is plus symbol. Plus is again, algorithm says if the operator having same precedence or equal precedence. So plus is here, and again we are scanning the plus, then one plus is moving to the expression A, B, C, star, D minus, and then now in 11th step, what we are having, we have an operand. So here we are having plus, and in here we are having A, B, C, star, D minus, plus, and then after that we are having E. So E is added to the expression B. Now at last step we are having this one. So it says that again we have to perform pop operation until a left parenthesis not. So here we have to pop P from the stack and add it to the expression P. Now expression is A, B, C, star, D, E, plus E, and this is plus N. So this is our final expression. And now stack is empty. After executing the algorithm, we got a postfix expression P, which is denoted as A, B, C, star, D, minus, plus, E, and F. This is a postfix expression of this given infix expression as per the algorithm. Thank you.